What's up, y'all, friends and family and all that? Back at the crib here. It's a couple days after I was out there prospecting. Last day I went was my fourth or my fifth day. I think it was 4 days in a row. I don't really know. Beat the shit out of me though. Never went 4 days in a row where I could leave my stuff in the water and I didn't have to work getting it in and out. I thought that was gonna save me, but no, man, I still got beat up just from sitting in the water and throwing rocks. I mean, I've moved mass dirt, so I mean, I got 5-6 foot piles of rocks and shit. So, but anyways, I wanted to show you all the gold for my 4-day total. Now, keep in mind, I still haven't got my mat dialed in like before. The gold ain't as good as it was before. I'm still very, very, very happy. Even though it ain't a lot of gold for Ohio, man, that nugget I got is a beast. I was just looking at it again like, whoo! And I forgot, my last day I got a piece of silver. It's silver, it's on some type of electrical thing, but I know it's silver. I've watched videos of people breaking them down. But anyways, here you go. Here's my 4-day total. I'm trying to dial in my mat. Definitely got tons. There's that piece of silver on that electrical thing. That's a little silver button on the end. It's pretty freaking big too. But all that lead, I keep all the lead. I mean, I'm still on the gold, but I was getting that in 2 days and not 4 days before. Got some real nice pieces of lead. I have no clue what this was too, but honestly it looks like something from a tire or something. Maybe it was used to be a spike in a tire. I don't really know. Came from the hills, so man, that's a huge piece of gold right there. I got some nice pickers. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Go out and get that gold. Yes, sir. Everything I do, yeah, I do it big. Peace, I'm out.